In today's video, I'm going to teach you where can I find my Shopify store URL link. Simple. First, start by signing into your Shopify account and opening your Shopify admin. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen for the settings option. Go ahead and click that. This takes you into the area where Shopify keeps all of your store's core information. Inside Settings, open the General or Store Details page. Depending on your version of the admin, the label may vary slightly, but you're looking for the page that shows your store name and basic information. On this page, you'll see the unique Shopify address for your storefront, the one that ends with myshopify.com. This is your default store URL that Shopify assigns when you create your shop. Even if you've connected a custom domain later, this original link still exists and remains tied to your store behind the scenes. Now locate that myshopify.com link. To copy it, move your cursor over the link, click and drag to highlight the full address, then copy it using your preferred method. Right-click and choose Copy, or use your keyboard shortcut. If there's a copy icon next to the link in your interface, you can click that instead. After copying, paste it wherever you need, into a document, an email, or your browser to verify it loads your storefront. A few important notes to keep you on track. Make sure you're copying the storefront URL, not the admin URL. The admin address is the private backend of your store and should never be shared publicly. The storefront link, the one ending in .myshopify.com, or your custom domain, is what customers and apps use to access your public shop. If you've added a custom domain, such as yourbrand.com, that's the link you'll usually share with customers. However, many integrations, support requests, and app setups still ask specifically for the myshopify.com address, so it's handy to keep both versions accessible. Also remember, changing your store name doesn't change the original myshopify.com URL. That address is set when the store is created. If the page layout looks a little different on your screen, don't worry. Shopify updates its admin from time to time. The store URL is consistently found within the settings area on the page that holds your store's basic details. That's it. You've located, highlighted, and copied your Shopify store URL quickly and correctly. Save it somewhere safe for future use, and you'll be ready anytime an app, teammate, or support agent asks for it.